Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook you can't comment right now. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook you can't comment right now, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will go to click storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. Here, as you see, sorry for that mistake, you will click here for stop and storage, and you will click clear data. Then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.